What's up, guys? This is Ryan Johnson with moneybass.com. Finishing up the day here on Lake Lanier. Just wanted to get out here, run around a little bit, put together a little something for you guys. So once again, just keep in mind, every Tuesday and Thursday I'll be putting out electronic videos, just some tutorials, some things that'll help you guys out. But today, what I want to talk about, got a tournament coming up this weekend. On my way in today, almost to the ramp, made it just to the buoys, almost to the dock. My boat cut off. Tried to start it back up, would not start up. Man, just one of those things that you have to deal with bass fishing. It's always gonna be something, guys. So today is Tuesday, tournament is Saturday. I was planning on getting out here, putting in some work, putting together a good plan for the tournament, but now I don't know what's gonna happen, guys. So how would you guys handle this situation? What do you do in the face of adversity? So with me, the first thing that came to my mind is I'm still gonna fish. I have a Ultrex, an Ultrex with spot lock, 36 volt, so I could hop on that trolling motor and just spend my day out there, because all I'm trying to do is just get a few fish to the boat, guys, so I can maintain my points and keep up the fight for Angler of the Year. But I kind of thought about it. Let me just check into it a little bit. As soon as I got off the water, first thing I called was to put in, get myself on the schedule so that I could have the maintenance check on my motor, because I did just recently have the 100-hour service done on it. Haven't had any problems with this boat, but what could it be? All right, there's a little thing right here. You see that right there? Let me turn this key, and if you notice, it didn't really move. Let's see if that's what the problem is, guys. No gas. All right, so these pumps automatically stop at $100. So I have to take it out and start it up again. Non-ethanol fuel prices have gone up, people. All right, let's zero it out and go for round two. All right, that's all she wrote. Oh man, that's kind of a hefty bill. You know, I've always heard that bass fishing can get kind of expensive. All right, let's head back to the lake, and hopefully this was the resolution to the problem. All right, guys, it is the moment of truth. Back out here on the lake with a full tank of gas. Let's see if she'll start up. All right, had to give it a little bit of gas, but it looks like that may have been the problem. She's up and running. All right, guys, so let me just give you a little insight to how this happened. So generally, I keep my boat completely full. I fill it up every time I go to the gas station. And that gas in this boat lasts for a long time. Several tournaments I can run through it. It has really good gas mileage. Don't generally have any problems. So it's been a long time since I put gas into it, and I just forgot to check because I'm so used to it always having gas. This is actually the second time that this has happened to me. Whenever I first got the boat, I saw the gas gauge was getting a little low, but I was like, I still have a little more time. But that date, I figured out that the Ultrex trolling motor has a lot of power, and it can get you back to the boat ramp whenever you need it to. All right, guys, back in action, and we're good to go. So, I guess the moral of this story is gas is something that you need. It's a much needed thing if you want your boat to run right. And the second thing that that comes to mind is adversity when fishing, or basically in anything that you do. What is your first thought whenever something goes bad? Is it to keep pushing and push through it and figure out how you can still achieve what you are trying to accomplish? Or is it, hey, man, that's it, I'm out. I guess I'm either gonna stay home or fish as a co-angler. Come on, guys. You gotta stick with it. You gotta push through it. So, what kind of adversities have you guys faced in bass fishing? I'll be back out here again for the next few days, giving you guys some quick reports, things like that. But once again, leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of problems you guys faced on the water, and if you were able to push through it and still come out on top. Ryan Johnson, moneybass.com. See you guys on the next one.